Hello everyone, we have prepared our result, but due to lockdown we are unable to display our results or paste our result on school notice board so that each students can see result. So we need to display our result online, but there is many IT companies which are charging more than 12 to 15 rupees per result. So 12 to 15 rupees per result is uh, very high amount for schools above 500 to 1000 over students. So what we have done is searched on Google and found one website which named is Result Hosting. So this website uh, gives you platform to host your school, coaching institute, university exam results online. So we have found this website, and this website displays exam results online. So this is the demo. We have tested the demo on this website. So here is the roll number and date of birth of the student. So this is the sample one result we have checked. This is so far good. Now the result sample 2. This one looks much better for us. So what we have done is we are interested to display results online. So what they basically do is uh, we schools take exam and prepare results data offline on Excel sheets, and this is what they do. They take our prepared result offline data and make it available online so that students can see their results online without visiting universities, college, schools. So they provide many online educational facilities. So our school has decided to test a demo with their website. So we have prepared this result of class 8. Now what we need all we need to do is just send this file to them, and they will not charge 5 to 7 rupees. I think if you are more than 600 students, 1000 students, you will be charged less than 5 rupees, I think, because what they do is very cheap, available in the market anywhere in the world. So what we need to do is go on their website, see the contact. What is There is an email and WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp the details on WhatsApp also, and you can simply email the details on email. So what we need to do is we are going to compose a new message to the message subject display our school online. Now we are attaching the file. We are attaching the file. So here is class 8 results. Need to they our results. PLEA is this online. That's all. And now we're sending this message. Message sent by to inbox. So message has been sent. Now, as you can see, the message received by the company, the message received by the result hosting. As you can see, all the data 4087, and what they do will, they will set the database for this data. As you can see, student ID. Now what we need to do is to visit the school page, and they published class 8th result. So this is the school, and we need to enter the roll number to view our result. So you can see 4087 for class 8th, roll number 1 Arshi Day. So 4087 we need to enter and see the results if it's displaying. Yes, it is displaying. It's Arishi Day, roll number 1, admission number, class, English, Math, Science, Social Science, second language, percentage 84.3 percentage. Is very unique displaying. So you can display your school results too. Visit resulthosting.net. Thank you.